Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Bridges.
Thank you.
Yes.
You all may be seated. Mr. Bridges, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I found out that she has a little bit more money, and I wanted a little bit more for the child.
Okay. How old is the child?
12.
How did you find out she had more money?
The child told me.
What? You asked the child or the child told you?
Oh, the child told me. Came back from visiting with her and is like, Mama has more money.
What? Where did he say this money came from?
He didn't tell me. He kind of only heard little bits. I think it's from the life insurance policy that she has, and only way I think of that is that she got a loan. Oh.
Ma'am.
He's lying.
Ma'am, when I get to you, you'll have your opportunity to speak, okay? So, the child said life insurance?
Yeah, they said something about like life, so I'm guessing it's a life insurance policy, and only way to really do something with that.
When did he tell you this?
Wait. Hold on one second, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me let you know how this goes, okay? I do all the question asking, you address me. Do not address each other. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Now, is there anything
Buckle up, because today's case is a financial roller coaster wrapped in courtroom drama. We got a father alleging that the mother of his child is misusing a hefty sum of money, $30,000 from a life insurance policy, to be exact. And where did that money go? Allegedly, designer handbags. This is a case of parental responsibility, financial ethics, and, of course, a judge who's not here for any nonsense. You won't believe the twists, so stick around.
you want me to know before I move over to her?
I mean, the child did tell me what he believes she was using it for.
What did he say she was using it for? Because I think that matters.
No.
Purses?
Purses?
Yes.
Purses? What kind of purse? Like the one she has on the table there?
I don't know purses, so I can't say. I just know that he said Mama's got new purses.
Oh, okay. So Mama, tell me about these purses.
What? I'm an interior designer, so I have to make sure that I match with everything I wear.
Okay, and you have to make sure that you have the money to buy that, right?
Well, I go bargain shopping.
Okay.
There's a lot of good purses out there, but I go shopping for my son too, so, I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what he's saying.
So you're saying that your son didn't tell him that you took money out of a life insurance policy?
No.
Well,
No,
let me ask you
I don't
this.
think so.
Did you take money out of a life insurance policy? It's
maybe?
a yes or no, it's not an
Yes, I
Okay,
did.
so he was not lying then. You called him a liar. He's not lying about that. You took money out. How much did you take out?
$30,000.
$30,000 out of a life insurance policy to buy purses? What kind of purses are you buying?
A lot of purses.
Like what? What kind of bag is that?
It's a Michael.
Hold up. A child spilling financial secrets? That's next-level parenting drama. But the real kicker? The mother isn't even denying that she withdrew the money. That's $30,000, half of her annual salary, just sitting somewhere safe. But let's be real. If it's so safe, why is it causing this much chaos in court?
Of course.
Okay, you know what? You obviously came here to waste my time. You did. As an interior designer, how much money are you making?
I'm not making.
That was not
matches
my
what he said.
question. As an interior designer, how much money are you making?
$60,000.
$60,000. So you took out a loan against a life insurance policy for $30,000. That's half of what you make as an interior designer. And you did it to buy bags. You didn't do it to spend on this child. Who does the child live with?
Him.
Child lives with him. And has she given you any money additionally for the child?
No.
And there it is. The moment when the judge realizes this isn't just a misunderstanding. It's a blatant misuse of funds. The judge's tone says it all. You obviously came here to waste my time. And let's be honest, when the judge starts calling you out like that, you know you're in trouble. But wait, it gets worse.
Ma'am,
I've
what
given
do
him
you have
some.
to say about that?
He's lying. Puro mentiras. You're just lying.
I don't even know what you just said, so I'm not going to even entertain it. Let's talk about the monies, okay? So, at $60,000, I'm going to calculate your gross for that. And I'm also going to calculate that gross for that $30,000 that you have. Where is that money housed right now?
It's in my account somewhere.
So, don't play with me. In your account somewhere. in like a bank account sitting. You're not doing anything with it.
It's somewhere safe where he don't need to be touching it.
You know what? Well, he's definitely getting ready to touch it because I'm getting ready to do these numbers. The $60,000 a year, I have your gross at $4,800. Your
Now,
net.
let's do the math. She makes $60,000 a year, but took out a $30,000 loan against a life insurance policy? That's like taking out a second mortgage for handbags. And here's the kicker. None of it was spent on the child. This judge isn't just handing out verdicts. She's handing out financial reality checks.
For that is $3,935.18. Then on that $30,000 that you have in a safe place, the gross is $2,500. I have your net, let me make sure this is right, $2,144.63. Total net of $6,079.81. Who carries health insurance for the child?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
About 120.
120, okay. Is that for you and the child or for the child only?
Child only.
Okay, child only. And I see here you did not ask for medical reimbursement. I'm just going to have you continue that coverage, okay? You continue the coverage for that. And then at a later date, we may entertain reimbursement for her, but you didn't ask for it today, okay?
Understood.
So, net $6,079.81.
This is where the numbers really hit. The judge calculates her net income, stacks it against that, say, $30,000, and boom, she's now looking at a hefty child support order. Lesson of the day? If you got money in a safe place, the court will find it and allocate it where it actually belongs.
Insist that bring your child support amount to $1,215.97.
I mean, ugh.
You have anything else to say? You want to tell me about some more money you have in a safe place so I can make that child support amount go up?
No, I don't.
Okay, so you don't have anything further then, I'm guessing, right?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have anything further, Mr. Bridges?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, well, you all are dismissed.
And there it is, the final nail in the coffin. When the judge asks if there's any other safe money she should know about, you can hear the regret in her voice. Too late for that now. The ruling is in, and she's on the hook for child support. Play financial games, win financial consequences. And that, folks, is how not to handle your finances in court. The judge made it crystal clear. Child support is a priority, and mismanaging money is an excuse. What do you think? Was this ruling fair? Let us know in the comments. And if you love courtroom showdowns like this, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping breakdowns. Until next time, stay informed, stay entertained, and don't waste a judge's time.